Nice work, Charlie. Before and after, cleaning the racking. Looks much better. And Kieran, clearing out the bottom of Donny's desk. He's on holiday, but he left a bit of a mess, so Kieran, great job. And Peter, before and after on the crane base. Got 4 more to do now. And Chris now added an easy way to order the welding gas.
So in here we had an example where the gas flow's never been set it up to what it should be really. So I just made a little labels to make sure the levels are set it up pretty much to where it should be. It's a gas flow, so we might be wasting a lot more gas, which is quite expensive, and we don't want to waste it.
And Gareth with a before and after. I think he's still waiting for a top for his new desk, but this is what he's working on his old desk, so great job. And Alex with a stand location for the bin, and Jim sorting out an area under the packing area under the stairs. And Jake with a massive overhaul of 10-20 different improvements in the kitchen, so there's more clear visual control, less struggle to follow the standard. So great work in there, fantastic job. Please everyone respect that and stick to the standards. Everything is labelled, so there's no struggle. Thanks Kieran for an awesome photo for our social media. And now this is the bad part. Please follow the standards. How are we ever going to make it fantastic?